What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to lock or unlock credit or debit cards of Bank of America, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's hop on to the business. So you can easily lock Bank of America cards using the app and the browser. So what you need to do is open the app. So Bank of America's icon, tapping on it and opening it. So then sign into the app, so entering your login ID and passcode, and tap sign in button. If you set a touch ID, make sure to use it. What you need to do is tap the menu button that has 3 dots in the horizontal configuration and says menu underneath. This will bring up the settings to your account. Then you need to choose the manage debit card section, so you'll find it between the alerts and the label of Bank Ameri deals. So overall, as you can see over here, it says manage debit card settings. Then what you need to do is look for the card you'd like to lock, and if you have a debit card with a checking account there, you'll be presented with that card first. Otherwise, you'll be presented with all other lockable or unlockable cards in your name. If you have both, there should be a button that will allow you to switch the cards indeed. Then after need, check the details of the card and make sure the last 4 digits in the name of the card graphic match the card you want to lock, and tap onto the lock card. As you can see over here, it has a switch, and tap on it. So you'll find it below. So overall, you can just tick it or untick it to lock the card and view the restrictions. So read the page confirming what you can and can't do with a locked card. You should also look at the types of financial transactions that will still go through even when the card is locked. The locked card status will also apply to most virtual wallets, including Apple, Google, or Samsung Pay. Overall, if you want to unlock it, just untick this button over here, and overall that would be the entirety of the process on how to lock or unlock Bank of America cards. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye.